The activation formula is the basis and model for strategic execution. It represents 4 connected variables or steps, maximizing the potential for success. While the formula works in virtually every area of leadership, it is specifically applied to strategy execution in the strategy whiteboard. The activation formula builds on the concept of earned success, creating a repeatable process to enable your team to realize earned success. As a result, earned success is what the activation formula produces when all variables are working together. The first variable and the first E in the formula is expectations, multiplied by the second E, which is evidence, plus the first C, or caret, times connection. So the formula is earned success equals E squared plus C squared. Generally, successful implementation of the 4 variables in the activation formula enhances motivation and outcomes, leading to earned success. Looking at the strategy whiteboard, expectations, the first E in the formula, are found in the culture block, the unifying objective, and especially in the strategic outcomes and expected results. That means that the expectations are already set up by completing your strategy whiteboard. The second E, or evidence, is developing a system to track progress towards the outcomes. This is a flash report or dashboard we call the Blendification dashboard, and it breaks the strategic outcomes down into specific milestones or business training blocks. Carets, the third variable, are used as rewards for succeeding or rewards for achieving the strategic outcomes. The word carrot is used rather than compensation because motivation and rewards vary by person, and compensation generally represents financial rewards. The last variable in the activation formula is connection. This is an ongoing, systematic process for connecting everything through an engaging communication system. The word connection is more substantial than communication because it implies that both parties need to be connected, where communication can be one-sided. While the 4 variables or 4 steps in the activation formula enable organizations to realize earned success with effective execution, the formula can be used in virtually every significant program or project in a company. Think of the value in your company if everyone created a habit around setting clear expectations, provided evidence of progress, linked a carrot or meaningful reward to the desired outcome, followed by an ongoing connection in the form of 2-way communication. Making this a habit and part of your culture will lead to earned success and fulfillment of both employee and company potential.